Hey everyone, Courtney French here with Global Social Media Marketing. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create custom YouTube thumbnails. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, I want to state that the type of channel you have is going to influence the type of thumbnails that you want to make. So for instance, if you're a more professional channel and the content you're putting out is more tutorial based or informative, then you might want to go for thumbnails that are all very cohesive, like the ones that I've made for Global Social Media Marketing here. As you can see, they all have text explaining what the video is, and then a couple of graphics, and then the company name and logo is branded at the bottom here. If you're a more creative lifestyle vlogging type of channel, you might want to include interesting pictures in your thumbnails with no text or just a couple of words or emojis. So we're going to be using Google Slides today to create our YouTube thumbnails. So just go to your Gmail account and then click this Google Apps icon right here and click Slides. And since we're starting from scratch, we can click blank. Now the first thing we want to do is change the dimensions of this picture to fit YouTube thumbnail dimensions. So go to File, Page Setup, click Custom, and you want to change the units to pixels. And the HD resolution dimensions for YouTube are 1920 by 1080. So type those in and click apply. And now we're ready to create whatever thumbnail we need to for our particular video. So let's say that we are creating a video on how to make YouTube thumbnails. So we can type that in, mess with it however we want to. We can center it, we can change the font, we can make it a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. We could change the background color. We could make the background an image. Let's say we just wanted this dark blue color. Okay, now we can't really see the text very well. So a good tip on this is to click Shapes, and you can draw whatever shape you need to. And it's going to cover the text for now, but you can right click and click Order and then Send to Back, and the text will come forward. Now let's say we wanted to insert a couple of images to make this a little bit more eye-catching. So we can search the web, we could go YouTube logo. Here's the play button. I like that, so I'm going to insert that. And say I wanted it right here. We could make it a little bit bigger and slanted. And I'm going to insert another image from my computer. Now I already took this image and edited it a little bit. A tip on including images of people or yourself is to amp up the saturation and amp up the contrast a little bit. So you can do that on your own prior to uploading the video onto Google Slides, or you could click Format Options here and Adjustments, and you can mess with the brightness and contrast. Don't really want to mess with the transparency. All right, so I'm pointing it that way, so let's do that. You can send that to back. And let's say that I've messed with this for a while and I like this thumbnail and I want it to be the thumbnail of my YouTube video. So now we click File, Download as a JPEG image, and it's going to download to your computer. Now I like to right click on it and save it to a folder that's easily accessible for me when I'm going into YouTube. So let's go into YouTube, and go to your Creator Studio. I'm already in the Creator Studio, but if you don't know how to do that, you click on this icon and click on Creator Studio, and you can view all of your videos. Now, let's say that this video right here, Google Forms Survey Tutorial 2019, was our video that we wanted this thumbnail to go on. So we can click Edit, and we can click Custom Thumbnail, and then just go to that folder that you saved it in, open it, and there it is. We have it right here, and we can click Save Changes, and then it would change your thumbnail to that. So another great option besides Google Slides is canva.com. I really like Canva. You can create designs and you can customize the dimensions right there. And remember 1920 by 1080 for YouTube, and you can click create a new design, and it's pretty much very similar to Google Slides. Now, I recommend Google Slides because it's very easy to center things and format things. And if you are trying to create a cohesive theme among your thumbnails, it's very time friendly because all you have to do is right click on one of the slides and click duplicate, and you have the general formatting done for you already, and all you have to do is change the title and a couple of the graphics depending on the video that you're trying to create at that time. So yeah, that was just a helpful tip on saving you a little bit of time if you're trying to create a cohesive theme among your thumbnails. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create custom YouTube thumbnails. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone.